I put on with LBC. I put on with LBC. Yeah, I put on with LBC. On LBC. I put on with LBC. On LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Hold on. 1 second. I'm in the middle of doing something, trying to get something situated, and trying to add a little bit of something. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. But anyways, good evening. And welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. About to get stopped out in a long. It's all good. All good in the hood. Don't stop me now. Don't stop me now. It is Monday, 10:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is February 9th. 2026. Stopped out. All good. $2 loss. I did not go heavy because it is what it is. It wasn't time to go heavy. Yeah, we'll get into that. Strategy has been, I mean, it was hitting today. I mean, every time I looked, it was hitting. And problem is, in order for this strategy, in order to play the strategy, particularly on the 1 minute, you got to be watching the charts. So I was able to hit the first one that I saw of the day, but I wasn't able to catch any of the others, unfortunately, because I do have a day job. But anyways, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? Let's say good evening to the chat. Good evening, GT Jack. Thank you for being here. Do greatly appreciate it. We got maybe a bandage in the house. What's going on, Band-Aid? Thank you for being here. All set, fam. What's going on, bro? We got Triple X. We got Jesus Say 77777. God bless. We got J Takaka Ka. Good evening. Thank you for being here. We got JR, the J Rizzler. What's going on, bro? Thank you for being here. We got Harp in the house. What's up? How you doing? Thank you for being here. And that's it so far that is commented. Maybe let's go to the live chat. I always forget to do that. Getting a little bit of a dumpski here on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and go over to that. Hello. There we go. I need to turn the studio mode off because that might make things a little yeah, a little laggy. So let's keep that off for now. All right, getting a dumpski. Now, following the strat. Could have already been in this trade. Of course, I wasn't, but that's fine. But I mean, it hit our entry zone 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now boom. You can't beat that, man. You can't beat that. And before that, I mean, you had this downwards move here. Boom, 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 boom. Last night, I was going over it. You want to take the last 2. Once you get that break, low to high after the break, boom, right into the entry zone. Taking profit all the way along the way. Juicy, 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 juicy. Of course, you can't win all of them. Of course, this one you get lucky because even though it broke, it never pulled back to the entry. And once it takes some time, it's a no-go. It is a no-go. Let's see. The one that I hit this morning, yeah, it was off of this. Just off of that. Got the break. I don't know if I went in here or I think it was here. Pretty sure it was here. Got the break. Pull back into trade entry. Launch. First of all, there we go. Trade entry. Boom. Taking profits all along the way. It even hit my full fib scale. I might have to bring it up even more. I know it looks like a lot of lines because it is. And you don't have to have all those lines on there. Maybe you find you only need the first 4. Or maybe you find you don't need the halves, you just need the wholes. If we take away the halves, you get that. Bang, 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 bang again. Didn't quite hit the 5 until there. Can you feel it? -6. Right there. Look at that. Left behind what? Equal highs. So, leaving behind equal highs at the highs. Therefore, you get a break. Pull back. First of all, doesn't instantly come back. Second of all, you got the equal highs. So you have to be aware of where there could be stop hunts. And of course, they come right to my stop. So, and it does get back to the trade entry right there. But again, equal highs. So that is one that you that's one reason why I didn't take this short. Because even though it did come up into the zone, I was concerned about these equal highs right here. I was concerned it was going to come out, wick, and then come back down. Didn't do it, so I did miss the short, which is fine. You catch the trades that you can catch. Yo, what's going on, John Foster? How you doing? Thank you for being here. We got Overcome in the house. How you doing? How you doing? Crypto Badell. Hello all. Hello, Crypto Badell. Thank you for being here. My guy. But again, not even that one. Internal lows. These two. Then you get the break. Then you take the fib. And then you pull back into the trade entry zone, the golden zone, and then boom, TP at the low. I might keep the whole numbers up and just forget about the half numbers. It's looking pretty nice. Looking pretty nice, if I do say so myself. All right, so Bitcoin sitting at 69,765 doll hairs. Let's see. What are we looking like here? Still down 11% on the weekly, down 22.5% on the monthly, 32% on the 3-month, down 20% year to date. And so far down 27.36% on the year. Absolutely amazing. And once again, leaving behind equal lows. So what might happen during my stream is that it might run up for these equal highs, and then after my stream, come down, take the lows. Because that's all Asia does, is stop hunt. All they do is stop hunt. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we can get an entry here. Are we going to the 30-second chart again? Hey gang, I lucked out and got the short. Love it. Absolutely amazing. Steve, how you doing, man? Thank you for being here. Do greatly appreciate you. I wonder, I'm pretty sure this strategy would work with gold. I've put it to test against altcoins, and it works with altcoins. But I mean, just all day, it's just banging. Like, it's kind of crazy, to be honest. It's kind of ridiculous. Wasn't expecting it at all. And I've tried to find some auto trend lines, but they're a little sloppy. And they also only take, like, I don't know. See, it didn't take these. This is a downtrend. Why are you not connecting the highs? What's going on here? This is a downtrend. Whoa. Why are we connecting lows? Doesn't make sense. Connect the highs? Yes. Connect the lows? No. And you're doing both right here. So it doesn't. Something doesn't make sense. The trend is clearly down right now. Until this happened. Leaving back equal lows. We do have some fair value gaps in here as well. Equal highs. I'm pretty sure it'll want to come for those. Hope everyone having a good evening. You too, Triple IX. Lost track of time. Hey, LBC OG Melissa One Love in the house. How's it going? Thank you for being here. People dropping out of the stream. What's going on? Is the stream good? Is quality okay? Wait, does it show the whole thing? Oh. I wanted just the tab. Do I have to do it like this? Well, that didn't work. Trying to have live trades, so I wanted to put live just the tab. I wonder if I need to separate it. Oh. Separate it. Gotta keep them separate. Oh, is it just gonna go ahead and take the lows? I'll take that. I'll take that all day. Boom, sweep, and go. We'll see. All right, let's try this again. Where'd it go? Oh, it's trading view. There we go. So if I open up another thing, okay, perfect. Thank you, Triple X. Hope you're having a great evening as well. Bruce Buffer. Oh, we're buffering a lot? Is that what's going on? Is that why people are dropping off? Well, now it says the connection is excellent. So you tell me. You tell me. This is why I need another monitor. Oh, is this even gonna turn into a sweep? Let's zoom it out real quick. Getting a little dumpsky here. We do have the 830 and the 930 down here. Don't know how relevant those are during Asia. About to find out. Good now. All's good on my end. Hey, what's going on, Buck? Someone I haven't seen in a while. Last night I fell asleep before stream. Oh, it's all good, Melissa. Just thank you for being here this evening. Hello, sexy people. And you too. Wait, is that me? What's going on, Dusty? Dusty Hunt. I know what you really wanted to name your name, but I bet it was frowned upon. I am in another trade, an Atom trade that is currently losing, which is fine because it's a swing trade, so I don't really care. Atom, ATOM, USDT. Just trying to test out the strategy on the swings here, on a swing trade. Connecting the highs, getting a break, and pullback. Now we'll see if that plays out. We'll see if it plays out. Don't really know that I like it, but we'll see. I did see the bull div here on the 4 hour. Well, it's on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. And then you get a bounce. So we'll see if it can continue the bounce, or if it wants to rake me over the calls. Whichever one, I will accept. Let's bring up VWAP. Why do we have all these bands on? The only a band I care about is Kid Rock. That's right, buddy. America. Dang, bro. Missed it. Let's try to find one. Come on. Come on. Ding, ding, ding. Boom. Drop straight through. Don't even give me a chance to get in the trade. Nothing on XRP. I don't see anything here. I mean, we're a little too late, unfortunately. It decided to move right before my stream, I guess. Boom. Boom. Already hit that profit. It's ridiculous, man. -0.75%. It's not terrible. -2 is a 4R. -1 is a 2.5. Interesting. 0.83. Who wants that? I'm in a large short. I always chicken out and close around this point. Only when it's cold, Dusty. SX short here. It's working perfect now. Jesus is yes. I'm good. Up $200. Taking prop. Nice. GG's in the chat for Triple X. I'm in a large short. I always chicken out and close around this point. What is this point? What is this point? And what time frame did you enter on? How long did you expect to be in the trade? I mean, have you taken profit? Are you in profit? You said you're in a large short, so are we profit taking? Short from 146 on XRP. $146. Nice. When the heck did you get in? Over here? Up here? You short the high? High of the day? Or short over here? Either way. $146. 1.5%. 1.5%. That's not bad. Especially with leverage. 'Tis not bad at all. All right, what we can do here, we can set up our lines and we can add alerts. Let me know if that hits. And then we can go hunting for other things. Doge. Nada. Aave. Wow, that's Binance Spot. I wonder what this is on Coinbase. I mean, I know it's a 1 minute, but sheesh. A bit more volume. Probably zoom out a little bit. I mean, I don't know any altcoin. Not many altcoins are going to be looking okay. I mean, this is INJ. What even is this? Should try the strategy with the Heikanashis, maybe? Oh, it already broke and came back up. Could you imagine actually catching a trade here on the 1 minute on a chart that looks like this? That's wild, bruh. I don't even need different colors. Let's change this. Can you just... Perfect. Look at that. I mean, it came up to it and now it's dumping. I mean, INJ. From the bottom of the trade, I mean, that's 1.67% in a matter of minutes. Can't beat it, man. We're just going to Heikanashii the alts so we can actually see them. Get the candles. Swee's not so bad. It's got a lot of gaps, but I mean, way more volume than INJ. Say, what do you say? Oh, we're dumping even more. I usually take full profit at this point rather than leave a runner. I'm short 400 contracts at 72.70. Took 100 contract profit at 69.730. 300 contracts left. Want to go all the way to 55K. Careful. It. I do think we will go to 55K. I don't know that it's before a retrace or not. That's the only problem. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. And let's zoom out to the 4-hour. Different chart. Coinbase. Short from here to 50. I do think another low is going to come in. Dumpsy do. Bitcoin's really dumping. Interesting. We'll see. All right. So we've got $3.56 billion in shorts on the, and 33.17 billion longs on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 24-hour. Wow. I mean, it's basically 50-50. 1 hour. A little bit more separation. More heavy on the short side. Very bullish, neutral, bearish, very bearish. Neutral. Heavily favoring shorts. 30-minute though. 4-hour. Wait, is this? Wait. Yeah, these are days. Seeing shorts being favored. That's why I'd be careful with the shorts. I feel like could be coming close to a relief rally / short squeeze. Large real-time trades. Binance well biased. Bitcoin extremely bearish. Interesting. 65%. OKX well bias bullish. Yeah, that's because most of the selling comes from Binance. They've just been selling off like hotcakes. Bybit well bias extremely bearish. So Bybit is also extremely bearish. OKX is bullish on Bitcoin. Oh man. I don't know that we're gonna get a bounce. Alex Crypto, what's going on, homie? Thank you for being here. Do greatly appreciate it. You know, it's crazy watching some of these trades come in. Let's see. I mean, looks like every exchange except for Mexi, Whitebit, and CoinEx are short. And that's why you got to be careful, man. That short squeeze could happen at any moment. Super charts. Super duper charts took 150 more contracts off the table. GG's. Well done. Taking contracts. What are you trading on? See, hourly. Let's check some CVD. CVD candle, cumulative volumes, this spot. You don't want that spot to. Need that spot to pick up. But look at this funding rate. Jeez. Just flipped bullish. Open interest is not very interesting. I like to throw this one on like the 12 and just kind of see where the baseline has pretty much been at bottoms. Might need to go to the daily. Yep. That is not what I meant. What am I doing? There we go. Still dumping. Coinbase sucks. Lots of capital, low leverage. Well, sounds like they are not as risky. The open interest compared to the bottom of the bear market is pretty crazy. How much leverage? So much leverage wiped out. All right. So let's go ahead and mark off where current, where the current open interest is. There we go. So let's see. Clear that. That's a bottom. Not yet a bottom. That's a bottom. So we'll say that. We cleared that. We cleared that. Bottom. Bottom. There. I mean, October 10th. I mean, that was just wiping out all the leverage. My liquidation price is 214K. Man. Okay, maybe you could hold on to the rest of it. Not financial advice. Do whatever you want. Every decision's up to you. But yeah. I think you might be kind of safe from that, but oh, excuse me. Sorry. Look at that bottom. A bottom. Finding a bottom. So point is, I mean, once you get down to this level, you're essentially you're looking for a bottom or even a top as well, maybe. I guess more people would go long than yeah. You definitely would see price movement. Yeah, more people go long than short, for sure. At least more heavily. Then you just wipe out all of the shorts, or longs rather. Aggregated bid and ask. Yeah. Positive on the bids. Delta. We're just sideways, man. It's just sideways. Who cares? Where's that I don't care. Get out of here. What are we doing, Bitcoin? Other than making me go to sleep. Making the beautiful people go to sleep. Potential bottom here. I don't know what this green line is, but I need to get it out of here. Oh, wait. That's a different chart. Hold on. Don't delete that one. Here we go. Still waiting. No bullish close above. Still waiting. Wish I had the VWAP on at the beginning of the stream. Maybe I don't have to follow the trading strategy that I showed you guys for every trade. It's just a strategy. Although I will be using it heavily moving forward. Any news, any economic stuff coming out this week? I didn't even go over that yesterday. My bad. My B. Retail sales tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Non-farm payrolls. Is that not the same as ADP? Or did they move it because of the partial government shutdown? I think they moved it because it was on Friday. Okay. Wow, so non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate coming out tomorrow? No. The 11th? Wednesday. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These, particularly non-farm payrolls, tend to provide some volatility. And Thursday we have existing home sales. Friday we have core inflation rates. So there we go. Not really tied to jobs. Fed is more concerned with jobs at this point in time. Let's see. Key facts. Alphabet forecast 175 billion to 185 billion capex for AI. Sheesh. That's wild. Capital expenditure. Is that a break and a bullish close? Looks like it. I want to, but no. It's got to be the high. It's got to be the one after the break. So we'll see. We'll see. Solana. Anything? I guess the trend during my stream was down tonight. Anything? I don't know that I'll like this. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see what happens. Bouncing. Don't leave me. 69. Don't leave. All right, we're in it. See how it goes. See how it goes. Do you guys like this? You guys like seeing the trade in the corner? I'm probably going to get swept. We'll see. Don't know that I particularly liked it. I feel like as soon as the stream ends, it'll come down, take me, and then it'll run up. But we'll see. Yo, where did everybody go? I love it. Sweet. Love it. I love you. I can't see it though. I can't see. Do I need to take some off the top? There we go. Oh, we're getting a bounce. Bouncing off the old golden pocket. Of course, this should be here. Whoops. Wow, it's just dead now. All right, any news worth anything talking about? Anything? How's everybody doing? How's your mom and them? Hope they're doing well. Kathy Woods, ARK Invest buys more bullish as stock jumps over 16%. No privacy CBDCs will come, warns billionaire Ray Dalio. Shocking. Ethereum price locked down or locked below 2,150. Directional break still missing. Bitmine buys $85 million in ETH as Tom Lee calls market pullback attractive. Yeah, sure he does. Base app sunsets creator rewards to double down on trading. Good. Everybody just wants to trade. Tron doubles down on TRX as rising on-chain activity supports price recovery. Pump it up. Nothing crazy. Mr. Beast buys Gen Z Bank just weeks after Bitmine's $200 million bet. Oof. By the way, I checked out prediction markets for the first time during the Super Bowl yesterday. Kind of crazy. Definitely not what I'm used to. Definitely don't really understand it yet. Dogecoin bear market almost over. I do not support gambling as I trade. Polymarket sues Massachusetts, claims states can't regulate prediction markets. Why can't states? I mean, sure they can. They're a state. You may not like it. Polymarket has filed a federal lawsuit against the state of Massachusetts, arguing that Congress granted the Commodity Futures Trading Commission exclusive authority over event contracts, preventing states from independently shutting down federally regulated prediction markets. Really? Is that a thing? Neil Kumar, Polymarket's chief legal officer, confirmed the lawsuit on Monday, saying the dispute involves national markets and unresolved legal questions that must be addressed at the federal, not state, level. Racing the state court to try to shut down Polymarket US and other prediction markets doesn't change federal law, and states like Massachusetts and Nevada that have done so will miss an amazing opportunity to help build markets for tomorrow. I live in Tennessee, and you would think that, being in a pretty heavily red state, that we wouldn't have a whole lot of banning going on, but there's a lot of stuff there's exchanges that have been banned that I haven't been able to join because they're specifically in Tennessee. I mean, without a VPN, that is. I mean, really, if it's money involved, they'll do it. But yeah, awesome. So yeah. So they're suing Massachusetts, and we'll see how that goes. Figured a state could do what they want, though. Figure they could regulate it or ban it even if they wanted to. I mean, look at all the states where, well, technically, isn't marijuana still Schedule 1? I thought Trump was going to change that. There's a lot of states that legalize it, but don't. But I guess that doesn't really matter. He already has. Who has what? Oh, we are in profit. We are in profit. Love to see it. Just barely though. $1.83. That's a 1-to-1 on the risk. I didn't put a lot into it. I should have put more into it. I might size up more when I'm a bit more comfortable with the old strat. Not that I'm not. I'm pretty comfortable with it, but solid. You know, I've been talking to you guys about this a lot too. Just in general, these overlapping waves, they're just ripe with liquidity that wants to get taken out, and you see it all the time. You break, and then you get to pull it back, and then you go. Or it's vice versa. They build up the liquidity to the upside, only to take it all back. And it's usually not that, because the trade setup is different. Then you get something, then you get pulled back, and then it'll go and take out the rest. Just as it did here. No magnet, please. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then we finally start to break, right? Those last two. Finally get a break. Bam, bam. And there you go. It rolls over. Equal highs, though. That's why I didn't take it. Maybe it's not as bad of a thing on the 1 minute, but I doubt it. Printing. Oh, we printing. So far, so good. Have we hit? I mean, we've hit first TP. Take a partial. Wait, that's not TP. What the? Hello? I mean, if I close it, it's going to close the whole thing, right? All set. I forgot. Where is it? Where's all set? Oh, I guess I should have the stuff at the top on the screen, eh? Since it does show. I just don't want... Oh. Oh, it's because it's... There we go. It says minus 22, but that's because of that Atom trade. Which is currently down 26 bucks. Is it going to close the whole position? Oh, okay. Thank God. All right, took a quarter off. GG. Get them set. Why are we trading Degen coins? Who? Bitcoin? Oh, Adam? Oh. I don't know. Got bored. You can trade anything with the candles. With candles. That's looking pretty good right here. Can you see the whole thing? Is that the whole thing? Yeah. Okay. I don't know, all set because I freaking feel like it. You ever think about that? Continuing to move here. Bright light, bright light. This doesn't have all my levels on it. Yeah, it does. I did add some. I did add them. I did remember them. That's the bigger thing. Something's not right. No. No, that's right. Oh, come on. At least get to my second take profit. Get him, LBC. 50% close. Trump already reduced MJ down. I see. I thought I saw something on that, but I don't know. Yeah, this was a god-awful entry on the Atom. God-awful. You know, can't win them all. And honestly, I'm pretty sure I entered this Atom trade before I found my strategy. Well, yeah. Pretty sure. And funny enough, I actually did a lot of my back testing on Atom. It's a 5-minute chart, by the way. Okay, this is not quite. Why do we have different settings between these charts? That's what I want to know. What? Why? Why? I guess I'm going to have to go gold. No, we're going to have to go red. So I can actually see it. Red. Red. I synced it. Wait. 0.66 and red. Okay, look at that. Bang. Then we put the minus C's on there. -1. -2. -3. -4. Okay. Green, 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 and green. For some reason, oh no, that's right. See, this is why I haven't done on a 5-minute yet. Let's go to the 1 minute. This is why I came up with the last two highs in a move. If you're moving to the downside, so that would be not even that one. Be these two, here and here, and that would have obviously banged. Yeah, once you clear, boom. That one already hit a take profit and came back for more entry. Boom. Saucy. Juicy, juicy. And look at this kind of, yeah. Also could have gotten wrecked, right? Well, not that one, but this one. Low, low, last two lows. Your break. Comes up, barely sweeps. Might need to give a little bit more drawdown, or a little bit more space on the altcoins, on the stop loss. See, I keep it at the 1.114 for Bitcoin. Oh, it held there. Hold on. Let me make color that. Nope. 1.114. Where'd you go? Blue. So we can actually see it. There we go. So this one actually came all the way down. Right down to... Oh no, and it stopped us out after we took profit. That's cool. 1 minute. I guess this is just a 1 minute trading strategy, guys. Guess it's just a 1 minute trading strategy. Oh no. Guess that means we gotta destroy the prop firms. Oh, that would have been safe. I don't think it's... Is it 1.4? No, it's 1.114. What am I doing? But that one got stopped out. Not here, but here. Definitely, for sure. Yeah, if you took that one. So might need to think about the... might need to refine it a little bit more. Just trying to find... Just adjust around the edges. The strategy is there. Now it's just about adjusting around the edges. TP2. Come on. Hit it before I go. I mean, it's only a few bucks, but I mean, who cares? It's still positive, right? By the way, trading dashboard absolutely sucks. My average daily net P&L, because I don't trade that often until now, is $2. These aren't great numbers at all. Average winning trade, hold time 3.2 hours. That's going to go down a lot with this strategy, doing the 1 minute. Average losing trade, -10. Average winning trade, 17. See, show you guys everything that I'm doing here on breakout. Risks, rewards, 1-to-1 apparently. I don't know how it, okay. Win rate, 42% for now. And then, yeah, well, this is what it looks like when you have a day job. Profitable. Look at that. 42% win rate, which is not great. I mean, it's not. But average winning trade net P&L 17, average losing 10. That's profitable. Okay. So there's a lesson here, and that is risk management. The only reason I have not blown up this account is because of risk management. Proper risk management. I just want it. Just give it to me. Come on. Come on. There it goes. Hello? No? You won't let me? Oh, I gotta go down. How many more lots do I have? Oh, wow. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. All right, close it. GG's, everybody. Thank you for joining the stream. I do greatly appreciate it. You all are absolutely amazing. Thank you for joining me this evening. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe. If you are new, hit that notification bell to be notified for whenever I create new content when I go live, which is Sunday through Thursday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will tomorrow I do start my class. It is from 5 to 8 my time, which means my stream starts at 9 my time. So I don't know when it's gonna end. It says 8 o'clock. Hopefully it ends on time or even a little bit before. The place where I'm going to this class is 37 minutes away from my house, and so it'll be almost literally like getting home, and it's still going to pumping, getting home and hopping right on the stream. So it is what it is, and I'm gonna have to do that for the next until April. 12 weeks. 12 weeks. Going to learn how to become a better leader and communicator, because I need to be able to communicate better as a leader. Something. Oh, all right, guys. Yeah, I got it's trying to piss me off is what it's trying to do. It's trying to just keep on running. Trying to just keep on running. I can't get out of here. I can't even get out of here. Oh, look, it just hit the one on here. Wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. Perfect. Perfect. Taking the high too. Should have saved it for the whole number. Dang it, breakout. Why am I blaming breakout? Hold on. Because I got out at the half number. Dang it. That's okay. I'm not really upset. Don't get upset at missing extra profits when you've already made gains, okay? All right, guys, I gotta go. Again, thank you for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. I will see you all tomorrow evening. Have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical night. And hold on. We're going to play Allset's favorite song, Against the Trend. His current favorite. I got to get back to working on an album. I will once I buy Suno again. Yeah, I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend. Sleep. I will catch you all tomorrow. My love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace out. Bye.
Screens glow blue in the dead of night. Candles breathing red and white. Every tick feels personal. Every move feels irreversible. I've chased breakouts, I've paid the fee. Learned the hard way about leverage greed. Lines on charts like fault lines. Split one bad click and you counterfeit. Heart rate rising with the spread. I don't trade hope, I trade what's said. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Liquidity hunts in the quiet hours. Wicks like teeth, they smell your fear. They shake the tree, they fake the move. Take the weak before the truth. I don't need wins every single day. Just consistency that pays my way. Discipline louder than my doubt. Patience prints when I wait it out. I miss the move, I don't chase the high. There's always another setup by. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Flat is a position, silence too. Sometimes doing nothing's the pro move. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the market show its head, not mine. I'm against the trend, still breathing calm. Risk appetite, emotions gone. If they sweep lows just to reverse, I'll catch the move, not chase the curse. One good trade can fix the mess.